how to buy stocks on Moomoo, purchase US stocks. So, of course, you're gonna have to prepare your account. If you don't have one, just go ahead and create one, of course. But once you have logged into your account, all you'll have to do is go to the market section and go to your options. The US stock should be one of the first option you'll see. So just go ahead and choose from the crypto ETF options as well. So let's go with BITO over here. Then choose your specific option. So let's go with this one. What you're gonna have to do now is just go ahead and press on buy over here, which is your option. So make sure it's on buy and go with the trade. If you can change your strategy as well before you do so, and of course make sure you do have funds inside your account. But once you press on trade, you should be able to get yourself a US stock on Moomoo. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.